Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can identify a website traffic. So here, lots of way have online to analyze a specific website traffic, but I have a free option for you. Example of I open this website fast.com, then you need to install a free similar web. Just click on similar web. You can see here are 57 millions of people visit this website every month, but page per visit 1.58, average view visit duration 1 minute and 49 seconds, and worldwide this is the keyword and global ranking, and most of the people coming from India 15%, Japan 8%, Brazil 7.64%, United States 7%, Bangladesh 3.88%. So 64% people coming from direct and charge 34 and etc. Lots of option available here. So I'm going on another website. You can see I open blogger.com. Then you can see here are 32 millions of people visit every month on Blogger, and here the keyword. Then most of the coming from United States, India, Brazil, Indonesia, Pakistan, and any others country, and 62% people coming from direct and 16% charge. So this is a full analysis. You need to go on just google.com, then type similar web extension. Just you need to add on your Chrome browser, and if you are others webs user, this is the same method. So I hope you are doing this work perfectly. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.